Hey guys, welcome to your channel Mirror Pro. Hope you enjoyed with this video. So, before the COVID-19 pandemic forced half of the planet into lockdown, Apple was planning an important press event for today, March 31st. Several product announcements were planned, including two new smartphones, the iPhone 9 and iPhone 9 Plus. These follow the philosophy of the original iPhone SE by combining powerful hardware with a lower price tag, but are reported based on the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus instead and will be aimed at owners of iPhone 6 and iPhone 7 devices. Apple was ultimately forced to scrap its press event and chose to delay the iPhone 9 until June. But economic pressures pushed the company to make a U-turn and rethink the possibility of launching the smartphones in April. It pressed ahead with mass production plans and, at a meeting last week, discussed the matter of launch. A second briefing among executives was reportedly held yesterday and, according to John Prosser, Apple has now settled on some specific dates. The iPhone 9 and iPhone 9 Plus will be announced on Wednesday, April 15th, if no further changes are made. Pre-orders are expected to begin immediately ahead of shipments, which are reportedly scheduled for 1 week later on April 22nd. Pricing is where things get interesting. It has been reported countless times in the past that Apple is planning to price the 64GB iPhone 9 at $399 in the US, which means the larger iPhone 9 Plus will probably retail at $499. Please help me by sharing this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe and to click on the bell to be notified with the latest uploaded video. Thanks a lot for your time.